All right, so it says, look at this, right? So we have start, do you have an account? Let's look at what the question actually says, right? So the question says, a customer does not want an account and wishes to pay by credit card. Which button would the customer press? All right, so let's start from the top. So the customer does not want an account and just want to pay with a credit card and move. So the first thing says, start. Do you have an account? Yes. Guys, already we can cross off the side here because they don't want an account. So this side dead, because it don't make sense to go there because the customer does not want an account, he just want to pay by credit card. No. All right, cool. Do you want an account? No. All right. Further on, well, at the side here, this the side I go, right? Do you want to pay by credit card? Yes. They said that. So let me see which letter down here. So C. So it's C here that press. Alright, makes sense. You don't want an account, you just want to pay by credit card. So that would be C. Alright, on to 25. Calculate 6% of 3,000. 6% of 3,000. I'm big it up back now because I want you couldn't big up. Calculate 6% of 3,000. Alright, so calculate 6% of 3,000, right? So percent mean out of 100, so it's 100. Mark an average. 6% out of 3,000. Of mean multiply. So we just can put this over 1. And then 6 times 30. I change it to black. Black I must put it for color in a word. I'm going to teach us how to. So that'll be 180, right? Percent mean out of 100, guys. All right. A sales representative receive a commission on sales. How much does he receive? No, 15%. A sales representative receive 15% commission on sales. How much does he receive on sales of 4,200? The part here I got tedious, so I'm going to take one time with it. Because you're not allowed to calculate, alright? Alright, let's go. So a sales representative receives 15% commission on sales. How much does he receive on sales of 4,200? For those who don't understand what commission means, it's like when you do sales and you get a part of the money. So like boss, you say, okay, even stores too, like stores where close to most do it. Like if somebody call you and say, sorry, buy some jeans and wear it from me. The boss will give them a percentage of the total sales. So in this case, the commission is 15% and the total sales is 4,200. So you're gonna calculate the commission on the 4,200. All right. Well done, John Ellis. Well done, Wilson. You're Cornelia. Good job. You're Tasha. Well done. Well done, Cherokee. Well done, Israel. Well done, Asia. Well done, Nika. Well done, Kimaya. Yeah, Kira. Good job as well. Yeah, Juliana. Well done, Spencer. Well done, Teja. No problem, Juliana. Shemaya, put the number, please. Which number are you answering? Put the number, please. It's gonna be confusing if I do not put the number, guys. Yeah, that's correct. All right. Anyone else? You guys did well as a group. Yeah, good job. But guys, you guys realize it's the same thing like what we just did up here, right? It's just a different form where they say calculate 6% of 3,000. It's the same thing there. Yes, Alia, it's the same thing they are saying here. Calculate 15% because that would go to the person, the clerk or whatever. Let me see what title they give the person. Yeah, the sales representative. So it's the same thing we're doing. 15% of this. 4,200. 4,200. How many 42,000? Alright, so this cancel this, cancel this. So 15 multiplied by 42. And put 42 on top. 5 2s 10, 0 carry 1, 5 4 20, 21. Put a 0 to all the space. 1 2 2 1 4 4 0 3 6 630. Let's see. Alright. You guys also did simple interest at PEP. Calculate the simple, well, you never say simple. Calculate the interest on 4,000 loan for 2 years at 8% simple interest per annum. Yeah, they did say simple interest per annum. Have fun with that one. Give me a second, guys. Let me just do so. It says calculate the interest on a 4,000 loan for 2 years. And if a person did not see the 2 years, don't know if because they write it in words, but so simple interest is equal to the principal times the time times the rate. And because I'm explaining each one of them, principal mean the number of money we have borrowed. So in this case, if I go be 4,000 hours you start up a business with, time should be in years, and this is 2 years, so it's two. The rate is basically out of 100, so it's 8 out of 100. All right, and then you can calculate. 8 4 is 32, so that's what? 320 times 2, which gives us 640. Alright. Now when you're challenging, a machine has a principal cost of 160,000. Simple depreciation is applied at 20% per year. What is the value of the machine after 2 years? Simple depreciation. Let me just tell you what depreciation is. We have done this in PEP, do you know? As we did those some people. It's a lot hard to remember. What it is, guys, depreciation is at the value go down. Like example, you buy a brand new Benz now. The moment you drive out, if you buy it for 5 million, the fact that you're going there and drive out of the car, man, it's no longer worth $5 million. Alright, so over time the value go down. Alright, so it'll get less the value. And simple depreciation, that reducing balance, we don't do that in city angles, only CXC. Simple depreciation is a straight line one. Where you can just find it straight, you don't use reducing balance. You can try it still for this one. It's a lot tough for some person, but still try. I'll still explain after. Alright, so you say a machine has a principal cost of 160,000. Simple depreciation is applied at 20% per year. What is the value of the machine after 2 years simple depreciation? As I was saying, guys, the value will go down. Alright? Unlike house, not say only house price go up and probably stocks, depend. You call that appreciation. But simple depreciation is the value is gonna be less. So each year it's gonna be 20% less than the original value. And you have two form, I think you probably have more, but two say to use simple depreciation, not simple depreciation, the reducing balance method, while city and guilds is the simple depreciation. The simple depreciation is more simple. While with CXC, you would have to find 20% of this, and then after you get the answer, you would have to find 20% of that. But with this, it's just 20% of the 160. So all you have to do, find 20%. And guys, we know maths. We can't use 160, you know, we don't have to use the zeros, right? Because we can't have an idea. I feel like I did. So when you multiply this, you get 32,000. So each year, the value of the car will go down by 32,000. Remember, we say it's a flat rate with a simple depreciation. So the next year are the same thing, right? So you get the same 32,000. So over a 2 year period, it's going to reduce by 64,000. So all we have to do now is to, oh my God. It's supposed to be subtracting. I think it's going to be this. Let me see something. 160 subtract 64 from that account. 4 from that leaves 6. And 96. Guys, the answer is C. C. I don't remember what I was marking, but it's C. Because guess what? This represents the value that it depreciates by, but that's not the value. The value of the machine after the 2 years. Alright? So that will be the answer. C. Yeah, Nika. Yo, me deserve that. My apologies, guys. My apologies. All right. What is 0.4? 0.44 as a fraction in its simplest form? How do we convert from fraction? A fraction is in a decimal to fraction, right? So first, basically, we know that it's 1, 2. So it's 44 over 100, right? And we divide it And a number that can go into the numerator and the denominator. Could use 4, right? So we can go into both of them. 4 into 44, 11. 4 into 125. So it's 11 over 25. You guys did well. All right. What is 3/8 expressed as a percentage? 3/8 expressed as a percentage. So go ahead and send me that one. Please put number 30 beside it, guys, so we know that, yeah, it's number 30 you are doing. Well done, Orlando, for the previous one. And Ian. Good job. Correct, Kira. Yes, Siobhan. Correct. Good job. Yes, Spencer. Correct. Yes, Sharky. Yes, Asia. Good job. Guys, not free up the chat here. Carnita. Let me free it up. Hold on there. Oh, you did. Oh, yeah. Well done, Ian. Carnita is free up here. You can go and do it. Correct, Tasha. Correct, Carnita. Correct, Nika. Guys, that's Mr. Kimani coming and waiting. Remember, guys, more to do. The city and gives exam. Those who want to try it, alright? Well done, John Ellis. Well done, Alia. The reason he's not in this class because in past is progressive. So I put him on the 6, then I can go and gain some knowledge. Don't be afraid to take on challenges. CH3 can use abroad, guys. I found out look foreign. So you can use it on the boat there. Sometimes I don't want to take CXC, but you take their exam. Well done, Kimaya and Shamaya. Alright, I'm going to run through that one here, guys, and do another one. So it says, what is 3/8 expressed as a percentage? We discussed already, percent mean out of 100, right? So simply multiply by 100%. 3 times that 100. 300. No, I could do it simple way. I could divide by 4, right? 4 into 8, 2. 4 into this, 25. So now we have what? 75 divided by 2 gives us 75. 37.5. So that's D. I'm going to see if we can squeeze in one more. Yeah. A jacket costs $66. A customer has a choice of discount vouchers. One third off, $30 off, 30% off, or half price. Which discount voucher gives the cheapest price? One is easy. See what the options are. Yeah, a jacket costs $66. A customer has a choice of discount vouchers. One third off, $30 off, 30% off, or half price. Which discount voucher gives the cheapest price for the jacket? Which would you choose basically if you get the highest discount? And that's 31. Oh, let me see something. One person's option. I don't understand. Okay. All right, Kira. All right, Kira. Yes. Yeah, Israel. That is correct. I wanted that trick on your exam, guys. All right, let's go. We're gonna finish it and then we can go. All right. All right. So you say a customer, guys. You can either work it out, you know. A lot of persons are saying one third. Couldn't be one third. Have to be half. If you convert half, that's 50%, and this is 33 point something percent, right? So look at it. A half times 66. Yeah, divide by two, you know. So that get 33. But if you take one third off, there's a $22. See, it's giving a bigger discount. Half your pay. Alright? Take care till Sunday, guys. Alright? Hope everybody enjoy the rest of them week. Students so easy, though. Guys, I want to send me a work with you. So what I say, I that I didn't mean to do, just send me the right thing then. Alright, guys, take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, man. Take care,
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Enjoy the rest of the week, all right? Lockdown school, lockdown school. Bye, entity. Take care, all right? Do no work and listen to the teacher. And get in trouble. All right. All right, I'm gonna start CXC class in 2 minutes. Let me stop the record. Should I stop it already?